You can buy like a headlight restoration kit at like say Amazon or AutoZone or eBay, but those are very generic kits that can get it maybe 25% there. But if you do it professionally, it stays longer, clearer, and it looks nicer. So here are the products we're gonna use. We got sandpaper starting from 600, 1000, 2000, 3000. You can go in between, it just takes longer. And then we have this 3-inch machine right here from Flex. And then after we sand this thing down, we're gonna go with the heavy cutting compound with a matching pad, then medium, and then finer. And then finally, we'll finish off with the ceramic coating right here. So let's go. So step one, we're gonna clean the housing. My biggest pet peeve is when people only address things that they can see from the outside. When you open the hood, you can actually see the housing pretty good, and it's the biggest part of the headlight. So make sure it's clean because it makes such a huge difference. Go in here with some Q-tips and some brushes and simple green, and you should be good. Just take your time. This is not a fast process. Next, we're gonna sand this thing down with 1000, 2000, 3000, and anything in between. This is a mix of machine and hand, and this is probably the most tedious part after the housing. And then we're gonna get the proper pad and polishing compound and just work on this for the next hour or 2 or 3. And it really depends how bad your headlights are. And then finally, we're just gonna ceramic coat this so it doesn't get all yellow again, and then we're good to go. Easy, right? Here's the results. I'm sure you guys want to get your stuff done by Adam because this is insane. First of all, we cleaned the housing. See that right there? Nice and fresh. Now this wasn't like the cleanest thing ever, but it wasn't the dirtiest either. But look at that. Ooh, all the crevices, even the connector, nicely cleaned all the way down here. Some of these things you just can't remove like that. That's just old film on there, but this is insane. But the most important part, the front. Look how clear this is, dude. So this has been ceramic coated and then cut like a million times. So we sanded this down from like 600 or 800 all the way up to 3000 a few times and then coated it. So this looks pretty, it looks brand new, dude. That is crazy. Look at this. Not even a scratch on the lens. Let me show you. Look at that. Perfection. So we're going to be installing this on my Integra later today, I guess. But I just wanted to show you guys how clean this is. Dude, this looks like it's freaking brand new. And then yes, that reflector bowl right there is still intact. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. The crappy part about these headlights when you buy them used, usually these tangs right here are broken. But this one's pretty nice. And look at this one too, it's pretty clean. And then the connector is nice and clean as well. So there you go. If you guys want to get your headlights restored and refinished, I'll tag Adam below.